Hey viewers, welcome to the Best Tools Review channel on YouTube. To make this video, we analysed hundreds of products and picked only the best tools for you. Please subscribe to our channel for more guides and check the description box below for product links and updated prices. So, let's get started.
In this video we're going to checking out 5 best network cable you can buy right now. We made this list based on tools performance, features, price, manufacturer's reputation and most importantly reviews of actual user. So, if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you are buying the best network cable in the market. So, let's go for top 5. Our number 1 choice is Weibogu Cat8 Ethernet cable. This Cat8 Ethernet cable supports bandwidth up to 2000 MHz and increases data transmission speeds up to 40 Gbps. 26 AWG cable suited indoor or outdoor at super speed without worrying about cable clutter. Cat8 can reduce any signal interference to the greatest extent possible. Allows you to stream HD videos, music, access the internet, and play games at breakneck speeds. The Cat8 Ethernet cable is compatible with all previous Cat5, Cat5e, Cat6, Cat6a, and Cat7, as well as IP cam, routers, Nintendo Switch, ADSL, adapters, modem, PS3, PS4, Xbox, patch panel, servers, networking printers, Netgear, NAS, VoIP phones, laptop, coupler, hubs, Keystone Jack, Smart TV, iMac, and other device with RJ45 connectors. Cat8 LAN cable has 100% oxygen-free copper on the inside. 4 pairs of 100% 26WAG pure and thick shielded twisted pair STP copper wires, an aluminum foil shield, a woven mesh shield, and a twisted pair STP of copper wires. The outdoor certified Cat8 Ethernet cable is anti-aging and shielded with a high-quality UV-resistant PVC jacket. It can tolerate direct sunshine, harsh cold, humid, and hot weather while still performing efficiently. Direct burial is possible. Outdoor and indoor use is possible. When compared to comparable 32AWG Ethernet cables, 26AWG Cat8 is thicker, much faster, and more stable in data transfer, making it ideal for AI smart products such as Amazon Alexa, Apple Siri, and Google Home. It is appropriate for small to medium-sized enterprise LANs, particularly data center switch to server connectivity. With a strong high-speed network cable, there will be no lag or stoppage in data transfer. For details, let's watch more. Our second best network cable is J-Doll Cat6 Ethernet cable. This cable offers excellent transmission performance with reduced signal losses. It has a bandwidth of up to 250 MHz and is appropriate for fast Ethernet, Gigabit Ethernet, and 10 Gigabit Ethernet. All J-Doll Cat6 cables are made of 100% bare copper wire rather than copper-clad aluminum wire, making them completely compatible with UL Code 444, which mandates pure bare copper wire in communications cables. The J-Doll Cat6 snagless network patch cable connects PCs and network components such as routers, switch boxes, network printers, network-attached storage devices, and VoIP phones to the internet. J-Doll Cat6 patch cables come in 10 distinct colors and lengths ranging from 1 foot to 200 feet. With our high-quality Cat6 cables, you can color code, customize, and organize your home or office network. There is no need to buy the 20 cable clips separately because they are included. High-performance Cat6, 30AWG, UL listed, RJ45 Ethernet patch cable connects LAN network components such as PCs, computer servers, printers, routers, switch boxes, network media players, NAS, VoIP phones. UTP unshielded twisted pair patch cable with RJ45 gold-plated connectors ensures little noise and interference. The distinct flat cable design enables a cleaner and safer installation. You may quickly and flawlessly run the wire around walls, edges and corners, or even entirely hide it by slipping it beneath a carpet. For details, let's watch more. Third pick in our list is Ugreen Cat8 Ethernet cable. Ugreen Cat8 Ethernet cable has a bandwidth of up to 2000 MHz and a data transmission speed of 40 gigabits per second, enabling a reliable network speed for online gaming, surfing the internet, streaming HD video online, uploading, downloading, and more. Ugreen Gigabit Cat8 Ethernet cable is perfectly compatible with computers, laptops, modems, routers, PS5, PS4, PS3, Xbox 360, Xbox One, Switch, networking switches, ADSL, network adapters, hubs, and other networking devices thanks to the RJ45 connector. It is also backward compatible with Cat7, Cat6e, Cat6, Cat5e, and Cat5. Ugreen Cat8 Internet cables have 4 shielded foiled twisted pairs F or FTP and an aluminum foil shielding layer. This design can significantly reduce interference and crosstalk from nearby pairs and other cables, resulting in quicker and more consistent network speeds. Ugreen Cat8 Ethernet cable is wrapped in high-quality cotton braided cord, making it stronger and more robust. The test results show that this internet cable can be twisted at least 10,000 times without breaking, making it ideal for long-term use. Except for 65 feet, all lengths of Ugreen Cat8 Ethernet cables can support the PO power supply capability. When installing a PO camera, no additional power supply is required, which is incredibly handy and safe. For details, let's watch more. Number 4 in our side is Billion to Cat8 Ethernet cable. The double insulated Cat8 Ethernet cable reduces ME or RFI interference and provides the maximum fidelity for long-distance data transfer. Cat8 is waterproofed and anti-corrosion, as well as more resilient and flexible for heavy-duty operations, thanks to improved PVC. Direct burial is possible. Outdoor and indoor use is possible. When compared to other 32AWG Ethernet cables, 26AWG Cat8 is thicker, much faster, and more stable in data transfer, making it ideal for AI smart products such as Amazon Alexa, Apple Siri, Google Home, Cloud Data Server, and other smart home and office products that require a high-speed and high-performance network. Cat8 Ethernet cable is constructed of 4 shielded foiled twisted pair F or FTP and single-strand OFC wires 26AWG, and it has a bandwidth of up to 2000 MHz and a data transmission speed of up to 40 gigabits per second. Shielded Cat8 and enhanced quality and pair twisting allow Cat8 to completely eliminate signal interference. Allows you to stream HD videos, music, access the internet, and play games at breakneck speeds. The Cat8 Ethernet cable, which has 2 shielded RJ45 connectors on both ends, is ideal for networking switches, IP cam, routers, Nintendo Switch, ADSL, adapters, modem, PS3, PS4, Xbox, patch panel, servers, networking printers, Netgear, TP-Link, NAS, VoIP phones, laptop, coupler, hubs, Keystone Jack, Smart TV, iMac, and other devices with RJ45 connectors. The outdoor-grade Cat8 Ethernet cable is anti-aging since it is shielded with a high-quality UV-resistant PVC jacket. It can survive direct sunlight, extreme cold, humid, and hot weather while still functioning well. For details, let's watch more. Last in our best network cable list is Digo Cat8 Ethernet cable. The U or FTP shielded gigabit Ethernet cord reduces ME or RFI interference and provides the maximum fidelity for long-distance data transfer. With several shields, it has a lower packet loss rate, resulting in a faster and more consistent internet experience when watching smart TV online, gaming, or downloading. This Cat8 Internet cable, made of 4 shielded foiled twisted pair U or FTP and 100% oxygen-free copper core 32AWG, enables bandwidth up to 2000 MHz and data transmission speeds up to 40 gigabits per second. For online gaming and streaming high-definition video, server applications, cloud computing, video surveillance, and PS4 internet access. Cat7 or Cat6 or Cat5 or Cat5e Ethernet cable is backwards compatible with Cat8 Ethernet cable. It is compatible with Xbox One, Xbox 360, switches, routers, modems, PS3, PS4, computer, laptop, TV box printers, network attached storage device, ADSL, NAS, VoIP phones, and more. It's easier to align yourself against the wall. Flexible, thin, and unnoticeable, but tough. If you don't need the complete length, save space. Also included are 20 free clips to secure the wire to the wall and corners. It comes with 2 helmets to protect the gold-plated connectors from oxidation and friction. The flat Ethernet cable Cat 8 with the sturdy PVC cover can survive direct sunshine, harsh cold, humid, and hot temperatures while still working properly. Premium indoor and outdoor design with excellent quality. For details, let's watch more.